everybody, welcome back to the Buckles Racing YouTube channel. Know I've been absent for a little while. It's been a hectic few months moving houses and trying to get the house set up and everything. I'm finally to the point where I'm going to start on the Ranger. Going to be putting a AJE K member in it with all Fox Body SN95 front suspension. Going to be putting strange brakes all the way around. Just doing some upgrades, make it a little safer, a little lighter, hopefully pick up some ET. Just wanted to show the process as it goes. I've got right at a month to get the truck ready for our first race at Bristol. Hopefully everything goes all right. We're going to be crunched for time, but do what we can. Hopefully I can get it done. If not, I'll just race Dad's car the first couple of weekends. But I'll show you what we got going on. Alright, so now I'm going to show you some of the parts that I've got. This ain't everything I've ordered, and I've still got some stuff to order. But this is what I have so far. So far, got my AJE K member. This is made specifically for first, second gen Rangers, twin I-beam trucks. That's the strut towers. There's the A-arms. I'm going to be tying the strut towers into the roll cage using competition engineering roll bars. And then another thing that I've got is going to be putting the Fox Body oil pan. Steph's fabricated aluminum. Got it from Vincent Performance. It came with hardware, pickup tube, has the windage tray in it and stuff, so for the money it was one of the better deals to go with. Still hurt the wallet though, but it's awful pretty. Now that you've seen some of the parts, show you what me and my brother did just pit on the other night. We got a mini start on it, but today I hope to get the motor out of it, set on the engine stand, and everything clear to where I can start putting mocking the front end up in it in the next couple of days. Hopefully by the weekend, it's Wednesday right now. Hopefully by the weekend, all the twin I-beam, everything will be out of it. I just got to work on it when I can. I still have a full-time job. But show you what we got so far. So far, just, of course, carburetor, distributor cap, plug wires out of the way. Got the headers off of it. Most everything's out of the way to pull the motor. Still got to unhook my oil filter relocation lines. Got to unbolt the bell housing and strap it up because I'm going to leave the transmission in it for now. Hopefully it'll be staying where it's at, but with this front end I may have to move where the transmission's at and everything, but I don't know yet. But that's just kind of where we're at right now. But we're going to kick it to a time lapse. Alright, I believe I got everything. I've got the cherry picker hooked up to it, ready to start trying to get the motor out. Hopefully I've got everything undone, and this will be an easy job, but the time lapse will tell the tale. Well, got the motor out, got it sitting on the stand. Glad to have that out of the way. Tomorrow, hopefully start taking the front end out from under it. But I'm calling it a night. Time to go spend some time with the wife and daughter and get ready for work tomorrow. But I greatly appreciate everyone watching. If you don't care, please like, subscribe, and comment. Really looking forward to seeing how this turns out in the long run. But again, I appreciate you watching. Y'all have a good night.